What are the profiles offered to the students of various specializations by the company recruiting from Shanti Business School?
There are spectrum of profiles which are given to our students. So if I name some of the profiles, foremost business analyst profile is one profile which is regularly offered to the student. Management trainee profiles are also offered in bulk. Apart from that, we have profiles which are catering to a relationship as a relationship manager. Then we have profiles which are training and development manager in HR analytics profiles are offered. There are data engineer profiles which are offered. There are data scientist profiles which are offered to our data science students. Operations manager profile is offered to our supply chain management students. Marketing manager profile, territory manager profile, regional manager, associate regional manager profiles. So these are some of the profiles to a name which are offered to our students on a regular basis.
Thank you so much for solving our queries, sir.
Thank you, Lavina. Thank you.